Yeah. Lohe Lohe. Dragon Balls. Genkai Squadra. So, try na to i-max out ang graphics. Taposing grid display, frame rate 60. Oh. Ano nangyari?
Genshin Squadra.
Genshin Squadra. You know, Dragon Ball Genshin Squadra. So, daily task mga busing o kanang mission sa left corner sa screen. Using tank, roll one time. KO against God's destruction.
You need my power.
So, balik ta sa settings mga boss. Sigurado na tong ma-enjoy na to ang graphics quality high, shadow quality highest, then bloom high, SGI on, battle controller, wala matay controller, touchpad naman na, touch panel naman na. Okay, muna na tayo natin na ilaptan. Battle. So, tank lang yapon na to. Nasi ko Android to. Android 16. Pero muna na itong karakter siguro. Bago na to ni siguhan si Majin Buu. Grabe akong nakalaban mga busing ko ng mga Kingkai. Super OP. Grabe na sila. Makaya na sila kung panay mong matbang. Samot na rin si Legendary Super Broly. Hindi makaya. Ito yung arena boss, 2 lane lang. Hindi pa na-unlock si Vegeta lang itong
Looks like it's time for the universe's strongest Saiyan.
si Dragon yung niya backup. Super Saiyan. Yun, ito na, simula na. Yung Goku na maliit, mayroong Goku na maliit San Goku. Meron tong mga Kingkai.
I'll show you the
Mga
power
gahe
of the
ito,
strongest in
mga
the
tulipas
universe.
na kontra natin mga kalaban natin. Let's
Let me
go.
finish them all by myself. I'll stick to doing things my way. This is no time for pointless chatter.
So magpa-level muna tayo boss. Yun, may skill na tayo, skill 1. Dito tayo, punta tayo dito sa gitna. Yung kasama natin si Goku na maliit.
If you lose, you'll be sorry. I wonder how this battle will play out.
Parang Mobile Legends ito mga bossing. Na kung masira yung base nila, sila. Yun yung lumabas ng mga tao. Yun, legit tao. Ang nakapalong rin ito si Kingkai mga bossing si Ob, Super Ob. Hindi wala akong laban dito sa kanya Pero umatras sila. Huwag na tayong mag-commit doon bossing. Baka mag-football pa tayo Paribil lang muna tayo, wala pa tayong yung kasama ko, napakahat niya Deadpool siya. Si Goku na maliit.
Keeping this
Tumalsik yung kalaban mo, Sing. Yung normal clips.
so easily satisfied.
Kaya pala, oh. Merong tao, boss, oh. Super Saiyan to, boss. Wala pa akong Super Saiyan, boss. Yung Super Saiyan to si Vegeta, boss.
This fool
Long
thinks
range din si Vegeta, eh.
I'm winning this! Let's go!
Ngayon na naman si King Kai ng Super Orb, mga bossing. Yung mga Great King Kai yan. Ngayon, mahirap yung kalaban ng King Kai, bossing.
time to fight is at hand.
Hapit matapat tayo sa bossing, oh.
Try this on
Yun, oh. Patay siya. Napatay tayo, boss. Napatay tayo. Confirm kill, boss. Confirm kill. First blood siya. Yun yung kagandahan nito, boss. Tumakbo ang buo. Tumakbo ang buing, oh. Dito yun. Dito na kasama natin na si Kumaliit.
You are in the lab!
This isn't enough. Here's a little going away present.
Pinutihan mo siya. Wala nga ako. Pinutihan yung normal clips. Uy, bakit na yung naggantagan ako? Yun, oh, tinabangan ako. Tambangan ako rito. Puk ako dito, busing. Sibat muna tayo, sibat. Hindi makaya, eh. Yan, dito sa base ko. Dito ka. Kapang ka. Pantapangan ka, ha. Yun na, sumibat, busing. Grabe, long range pa rin si Super King Kai.
Fighting without your
Super Orb.
assistance.
You feeling a
Sumibat. Sibat din tayo. Teleport muna tayo, mga boss. Yun yung nakagandahan ng larong to, mga boss.
It would be rude to keep my enemies waiting.
Ma-download nyo na lang to sa kahit saang download nyo na.
I'll go up top!
What? Giving up already? The enemy's
Sorry.
found you. I'll surpass even Kakarot.
Kakarot. Naging dinosaur, oh. Sumipat yung karakter ko. Yun, oh. Nasa sa pader, nakatago, eh.
Alright, let's get this over with.
Patayin mo natin si Raditz.
Here's a little going
Para
away
mag-level up tayo. Yun, available na. Nag-assist na siya. Yun, oh. Dito siya, oh. Dito yung binahan ni Raditz, oh.
I can't believe I have to retreat.
That was just
Grabe, ang sakit. Half-life talaga. Grabe yun. Sino yun? Si Krillin. Ang sakit ng Krillin niya. Rival channel. Hindi tayo na Deadpool na naging
Pay
capsule.
for this.
You pay for this.
Forge onward and grow even stronger.
You can
I'll
still
go
get
up
even
top.
stronger.
Die! Eat this! Don't go dying on me yet!
I'm doing just fine. You
Ito
are
na yun na yung Krillin, no?
Oh, this hurts! You dare run!
Huwag kang tumakbo, Krillin. Yatay mo ako, ah. Yun, oh. Yun, oh. Tumakbo siya, tumakbo. Sayang.
we're pretty good at this.
Here's a little going away present!
Makapan niyo ako. Siyempre rin, sumugrohin niyo yun.
They broke through your god of destruction!
Super Saiyan muna tayo, mga boss.
See?
Super Saiyan
Power of the
Vegeta.
Super Saiyan!
Super Saiyan.
That's some crazy power.
Nakabos tayo.
I'm on the edge of my seat!
I'll go
Yun o, napaspasayan tayo, boss. Sumukul siya, sumukul ka. Ano tumakbo? Sabi, makbakan mga boss. Yun, pitbull siya. Ito pa. Yan. Buhay pa yun. Clearin. Siguruhin nyo yun. Yun, pitbull.
Become the fast to me!
You feeling okay?
Looking good.
What?
Just a little.
Galactic Patrolman, Jacko!
Here's a little going away.
Yun o, God of Destruction tayo ngayon o.
Nice job. The god of destruction.
Yay! I did it!
Can't believe I have to retreat.
Retreat pa more. Grabe. Dedo talaga.
Weakling.
Yung King Kai at yung Clearin, no?
I'll go up top! Excuse me, coming through!
Ugh, they will pay for this.
Super Saiyan pa din, no?
Listen to your instincts.
This is bad.
You can do
Nandun to na sa base. Parang talo na tayo, mga boss. Sa base na sila eh.
I'll surpass even Kakarot. Have you come out to play? Don't complain of any unfair advantages when I crush you.
I'll go down low!
Yun, no? Patay, oh. Kaboom.
This way! The power of love shall win the day!
Remember, in love, there is might.
What's the matter?
Nag-revive sila dito, boss, oh.
Here's a little going away present.
Grabe yun. Bakbakan yun. Nag-ultis with ito. Sa revival. Boom! Grabe ang power nito, boss.
Destruction.
Let's do that again!
Ano na? Talo na. Oy. Lumabas. Nag-crash ang game. Bandai Namco Ganbarian. Mabibigat na mga developer ang gumawa nito, mga boss. Disconnect tayo doon, ah. Okay siya. Pwede kang bumalik sa laban. Hindi siya pipitsugin talaga. Yun, oh.
This fool thinks he's tough. Don't complain of any unfair advantages.
This is bad.
Maintain composure. Here's a little going away present.
Grabing ulti ni Vegeta, oh. Parang nuclear.
I'll go up top!
Eat this. Let's go.
Mapaubos na yung pasaya natin.
Nothing worse than a boring fight. I'm not scared.
Grabing wakwakan nito. Ultihan ni Bukong Maliit.
About time I get back out.
Dumikit si Clarin, no? Dumikit. Yun, no? Nag-revive si Clarin.
Maybe a thank you, perhaps? Your time is up! What's the matter?
Grabe na nga laro na to.
mighty, you won't.
You did it! You broke through all their bonds of destruction!
Have you come out to play?
Now, bring the dragon shell and go get the Dragon Ball!
Back up. Nubog ako. Apat sila. Uy, yung base nila. Grabe. Malapit masira yung base nila. Pag masira tong base nila, busing wala na. Talo na to sila. Yun o, talo sila. O, talo. Sira yung base nila. Nego kung maliit. Alright. Nakascore tayo doon mga boss. Panalo tayo. Tignan natin yung kills
No mortal
natin.
on this plane can defeat me.
Tank din to. Kasama ni Majin Buu. Si Peter Dabura. Dabura pala, Dabura. Peter yung kwan niya. 8 assist lang pala ako. Sayang ah. Yun o, 1 kill oh. 8 assists, 1 kill. 1 deaths din. Isang patay din ako. Ito siya oh. Dabura. 11 kills ah. Son Goku. 5 kills, walang death. Yung mga kasama ko to. Okay. Next game na naman tayo. Standard battle. Uy, na-open na yung quick battle mga boss. Battle, land grab. Seize land, reach 5 points. Kung change. Subukan natin tong land grab. Yung Gohan tayo, si Gohan. Parang walang tao dito sa land grab ah. Uy, na-unlock si Trunks. Ito i-unlock natin to si King Kayo. Gusto ko si Trunks. Uy, Android 17. Mapapalaban kayo rito. Yan oh, Android 17 oh. Yan, nice. Mayroon na tayong Android 17 mga busing. Okay ah. Parang walang tao dito. Cancel tayo. Quick battle tayo, quick battle. Wala rin. Hindi. Quick battle. Sige, quick battle tayo. Sana yung Android 17. Dito. Parang di yun mali yun ah. Ito tayo. Consistent BOS 1.5. Ito yung mission natin no. Wala ring tao sa quick battle ah. Standard battle lang tayo. Standard battle. Sana yun si Android 17. Yun no, ito na. Second game tayo mga boss. Yun no, si Android 17 itong dadalhin natin.
Alright, fine. I'm in.
Itong backup niya, itong taong pula. Nakaset tayo sa Prepare to Die Divine Combo. Ayun na. Let's go. Bakan. Bakbak. Ito naman yung mga kingkay mga boss. Kasama natin. Yung matitigas to sila. Uy, kalaban
Shall
naman
we
si
get
Tizo.
started?
Android 17, mga bossing, you know?
Let's get this over with quickly. Might as well get along since we're all androids.
I won't let you down.
Let's go. Don't even think about losing.
Give it your all.
Long range pala to.
Muscles warm.
Maganda to, long range. Long range yung itong mga kingkay, oh.
Stay focused.
Very exciting.
Parang healer, ah.
I think I'll start things off.
Use everything I gained from the past to destroy you.
Wow, so cool. You see
Do
right.
anything to
I'm fine.
Tayin mo yan. Ayaw ang nag-KO, boss. Kinio tayo ni Trunks.
Sorry for the wait. On my way.
Wala tayong ulti. Ulti muna tayo. Tayong match na match up nun, ah.
Muscles warm.
Stop right there.
Sure, I'll find a use for this.
Eat this.
So we made it.
The time to fight is at hand.
I'll take you on.
Eat this. Solar flare.
Grabing long range tong carry na to.
Don't worry about me.
Do you have a death wish?
Ah.
Retreat now.
18. Are you sure you're okay?
Keep going. I can still fight.
I got it.
Now we're getting somewhere.
Yun, may ulti na tayo. Uwi muna tayo, uwi. Uwi na! Tsush!
Well, time to be on my way.
Ito naman si Trunks, oh. Pinatay tayo nito kanina, eh. Yun, clear in. Puta.
I'll go up top.
Not so fast.
You are in the way!
Andito si Trunks. Atras muna tayo. Trunks.
Seems like I've got something.
Revenge, Trunks.
I'll help.
Ayun kita. Yun oh. Patay ka, Trunks. Harap nun ah.
Attack.
Kirin. Manda ka. Prepare to die. Ako pala na prepare to die ah. Subat.
Let's go.
Oh, grabe. Giultihan tayo mga boss. Sakit nun ah. Makpakan talaga boss. Makpakan talaga boss. Ang layo sa ML boss.
I will be watching.
Makpakan dito.
Just have to do better next time.
Oh no! They broke through your god. Nice job! They broke through the god of destruction.
It looks like they're out!
Has appeared. All right, let's get this over with.
I got it.
I'll go up top!
Ulti tayo mga bossing. Ah! Knockout pa rin tayo boss. Knockout tayo boss. Kaya. Grabe itong combination ni Kirin at Trunks. Tigas nila.
Hell's Flash!
Just taking a little.
As expected.
Punta muna tayo dito sa
This happened to me.
Raditz.
Looking good.
Tulungan tayo.
As you say.
Raditz ba yun o Android 16 yun? Android 17.
I'll go down low!
Delightful!
Sana yun si Ato dito. May kontak-aban mo sing.
Try not to bore me.
Erasing you will be a simple matter.
Man, our team just got a little smaller.
Huwag kang sumibat. Ah, si Frieza. Ah, knock out tayo kay Frieza. Sakit ah.
There's still so much to be done.
Don't screw up this time around. This is bad. Much longer.
Well, shall we
There
get
you
the
go.
fight started?
Oh no! They broke the powerful foe as a thing.
Kada destruction no?
Nice job! Broke through the god of destruction.
Now let's keep going!
Wow! I'm on the edge of my seat.
Look how hard they're fighting! I'll go down low!
You're just the one to shake this battle up.
Sorry for the wait. On my way.
Android 17 on my way. Pakan sila. oh. Huli ka, Balbon.
A little bony. Go. Disappear!
Time to die.
Let's go. What's wrong?
Sibat.
I'll go up top!
Let's go. I maybe
Sibat
need to
tayo.
rest a moment. Enough resting. I'd like
God
to
of
take things
Destruction.
easy here, but that's probably not gonna happen.
Si Frieza, oh, hindi pa ako naka-revenge nito. Sa baba siya. oh. Frieza, manda ka.
Man, our team just got a little small.
Stay still.
Eat this! I got What's wrong? Yeah. Here's some.
Grabe. Wakbo. Sayang.
I can't go down like this. Time to come up with a new plan.
New plan. Anong new plan natin?
Take some time off.
Keep going. I can still fight.
Di rin. Uli ka, Balbon.
Excellent decision.
Not done yet! I got this! As expected! This is bad. Looking good. There's no way! Oh no! They broke through your god of destruction! Oh, this hurts! Now stay still! You bell boy! Here's some more! Here's another!
Ah! Hindi tayo doon. Nahuli.
Everyone!
Sorry, I was just taking a little break.
I'll go up top. Receive my love!
I got you!
Grabe. Corner tayo. Ah! Tampol tayo dun ah. KO na naman. Wala kaming tank. Baited na naman.
They've broken through all your gods of destruction!
Dito na sila sa base.
Real danger!
Out a little longer! Now Stacy, you hold out!
Sira yung base. Talo tayo dun ah.
Victory belongs to us!
Cooler, final form. Pwede rin no, grabe.
Demonstration of all my training!
Bibisig na rin ah. Alright, tapusin na natin dito mga busing.